and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. So in today's video we are going to be talking about how to make money as a photographer. So if you are watching this video, I'm going to assume that you already make money from photo shoot gigs, and while that can be a great source of income, it may not be the easiest way to bring in money. So if you are looking for other ways to make money as a photographer, stay tuned till the end of this video because I have some great quick and easy tips that are going to help you. So the first way to make money as a photographer is through photo shoot gigs. Now I know I said that it isn't the easiest way to make money, but it does bring in a lot more money. So how can you make it easier to bring in money with this method? The first thing that you need to do is make sure you are showing off your work on Instagram, Facebook, and many other social media platforms that are out there, and also be consistent. This way people know that your business is still open. It is also very important that you have a website for your company, and if you are on a budget you can use a site called Weebly and use a free plan. The next one on my list is selling prints. Now if you enjoy taking photos of nature or animals or even the city, you can make money by printing these photos and selling it online on places like Etsy or even your website's online store page. The downfall to selling on places like Etsy is that you are charged per upload. So every time you upload a product, they will charge you for that upload. So if that's not the way you roll, an additional option to selling your prints is to physically go to a flea market and sell your prints there. That way you will only be charged a once-off fee for the rent. Next up on my list is Facebook Marketplace. Now Facebook Marketplace is probably one of my favorite ways to make money as a photographer because I get a lot of gigs through Facebook Marketplace. You can create an ad for different types of photo shoots that you do and upload it to Facebook Marketplace, and therefore get many gigs from this platform. You can also upload different prints that you sell, and all you have to do next is wait for your buyer to contact you, and that is it. The next way to make money as a photographer is selling digital products. Now I don't have a lot of experience selling digital products, but I did want to mention this point just so you know that it is an option. You can sell things like presets and Photoshop templates on places like Etsy or even your website's online store. So if you'd like to learn more on how to sell digital products online, I will leave a link down below to a video that will show you exactly how to do that. Next on my list is Fiverr. Fiverr is a great place to sell your photography skills such as skin retouching or color grading, and all you need to do is upload an ad of any one of the skills that you want to sell, and if a client is interested in that ad they will purchase it, and the next thing to do is just to give a really great service in order to keep them coming back. The next way to make money as a photographer is YouTube. You can start a photography channel making reviews on products or doing Photoshop tutorials or even doing behind the scenes of your photo shoots. The downfall to choosing YouTube is that you first need to get monetized by having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to have ads on your videos, which is where your income will come from. The upside to this is that once you are monetized, you can get a good income from this and exposure, and with exposure comes more gigs as well. So if you are patient enough, YouTube can be a great platform to earn an income from. But with that said, if you do not have a passion for making videos, then YouTube may not be for you. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I've also noticed that a large percentage of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free and will help my channel out a lot. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified when my next video is up. Bye guys!